Hello and welcome to Jackie's Kitchen. My name is Jacqueline Njala. So in this video, as you can see, we're doing fries, but these are not your usual fries because they're not deep fried in oil. We are oven baking them. The difference is first, they're not deep fried in oil, and two, it makes it so fast to cook. This is hardly 20 minutes recipe. Unlike when you're frying in oil where you have to do it in batches and takes so long for them to get crispy. So just like normal fries, you have to peel a potato and cut it into shapes, the finger-like shapes, if I can call them that. So this is how they should look like. I've tried to make them as equal as possible. That's the best I can do. If you have a machine for cutting the potatoes, well and good, but you can still use your chopping board and knife, just like I did. So I will rinse these and we move to the next step. So we're going to blanch our cut potatoes. You can see the water is almost boiling. You'll need to salt it as usual. Then I'll add in the rinsed potato chips and let them just boil for not more than 5 minutes. Don't cook the potatoes, we are only blanching just to kickstart the cooking process. It's been about 4 minutes, so these are done. I need to drain the water into these. So you can see they're still very hot. I've just drained the water and you can see they're not cooked. So then I'll season these before we go into the oven. You see, I'm going to cook all these potatoes at once. If I was deep frying, I would need to do this in maybe 4 to 5 batches, unless you have a commercial fryer in your house, which I want to believe most of us don't. So this is the best and the quickest way of having fries. So I'm going to put these in an oven. If you have more potatoes than I have here, you may need to turn them like after 10 minutes. Otherwise, I'm going to bake these for 15 minutes and they should be ready. So this is our final product after baking. You see how crispy they are. This is what we had before baking and now after baking. You can see the difference is very clear. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and also remember to subscribe if you haven't.